Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to fix unable to establish connection in Dota 2 so you can get back into your matches without any annoying interruptions. Step 1. If you're seeing the unable to establish connection error in Dota 2, start by opening your Steam application. Click on Library, then find Dota 2 in your list of games. Right-click it, choose Manage, and then select Browse Local Files. Step 2. In the Dota 2 folder that opens, double-click to open the Game folder. Inside, you'll see a folder called Bin. Right-click on the Bin folder and delete it. Don't worry, we'll restore it in the next step. Step 3. Now, go back to Steam and right-click on Dota 2 again. Select Properties, click on the Installed Files tab, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will begin scanning and restoring any missing files, including the Bin folder. Step 4. Wait for the verification to reach 100%. This process checks your game for any corrupted or missing files and fixes them automatically, which often resolves connection-related errors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more quick and easy gaming fixes.